This girl Ray doing another video real quick. 914 Westchester County, New York. We always on top, never going to be on the bottom. I miss my home in New York. I miss my home in New York. 54 Saratoga Avenue. Yes, yes. I lived there until they gave me the call. That 4 of my family members had fell under a serial killer hand. And I remember it very well. It's nobody's fault. I'm still angry about that. It's nobody's fault. I will not let go of that. And one of the reasons I will not let go of it, because those 2 children came to me and said, Aunt Arabia, we know you have no children. You will probably never have any children. We are your children. We are your wish master. And when my 2 children went into the ground, August of 2011, along with their mother, which was my best friend, the only friend I really had on earth, Sergeant Crystal Reagan. I think about them every day. Every day I get up. Every day I go to work. Every day I pay a bill. Every day I go to the store. Every day, whatever I do, I'm always thinking about them. I will never stop thinking about them. I sat with my father, my biological father, when he was dying. Death has hit my door too many times. That's why I have no problem extending my voice on YouTube to talk about certain subjects. Some voices are now whispers in the wind. Some voices are like bombs or volcanoes, or like a hurricane. And I enjoy listening to my hurricane voices. You know who you are. I don't have to name you. You know who you are. Stay vigilant. Stay on your square. Queen Regina said that she is the Queen 360. That woman is a coon, a liar, a thief, a con artist, a scammer. She has nothing on none of these women on YouTube. None of them. She's jealous of all of them. Just like Sister T is jealous of most of these women on YouTube. They're not jealous of me. They're jealous of other women that get bigger platforms, bigger voices. Lonnie One Love, Miss 504. You were 2 hurricanes. You were 2 different storms flying all over YouTube. You're telling the truth about this and that. You expose the truth. Everybody got to accept it, whether they like you or not. Whether they like you or not, they have to accept the truth of your voice. Keep the change. I'm looking at you like you a high priestess somewhere. You under Lonnie One Love. You with Lonnie One Love a lot. Nothing wrong with that. Speak your truth, sister. Open your mouth. Because you're going to be the next hurricane. But that dream that woman was telling Lonnie One Love on Sunday, she told the dream. And I said, wow. Powerful, powerful stuff. Lonnie, Empress, Lonnie One Love, you are a hurricane. Miss 504 is a hurricane. Living life with Rainy is a hurricane. Cynthia G is a hurricane. Madam So is a hurricane. Ashley Say So is a hurricane. There's plenty of hurricanes on YouTube. There's tornadoes flowing behind these hurricanes. I appreciate all y'all. I respect all y'all. And I bow down. I will never be a hurricane on YouTube. Never. But I will always acknowledge that there is a battlefield on YouTube. I will always acknowledge it. You know why I acknowledge it? Because I was under Tommy Sotomayor for years. I listened to Hassan Campbell. I listened to Armando Black. I listened to Dr. Umar. I listened to different YouTube voices over the years. Malcolm Shabazz was a voice on YouTube. I listen, and I accept, and I acknowledge. 914 Westchester County, New York. We always on top, never gonna be on the bottom. People want us to live in fear. We will not live in fear. We will go into the world like the way we came in. As a whirlwind, as a storm, flowing all that water, flowing all that DNA blood, generations. We're not talking about roots. We're talking about generational power. Not generational curses, generational power. It is what it is. 914 Westchester County, New York. We always on top, never gonna be on bottom. DD Love, I love you from the bottom of my heart. I love your videos. I love your message. Keep bringing it out. Peace.